OCS wa Keroka. Hebu sema kitu kuhusu pombe.
Good morning, sir. My name is Joshua Motugi Kraide from Keroka Police Station. Bondering.
How long have you been there?
1 year, 8 months.
Okay.
For the little time, for the long time I've been here, we have worked. We have coexistently with chiefs, assistant chiefs, and the ACC, the DCC. We have done well. We have prosecuted several cases in court. So far, I haven't had any complaint concerning the illicit breed, because in my area, unless the problem comes from Kisii side, where we live within the boundary. So we have fought a big fight. And in my view, I think I have done the...
Na huyu mtu anaitwa Rambo, unamjua yeye?
Rambo ako within Keroka, but he resides within Kisii.
Let me ask you, do you have a conversation with your OCS from the Kisii side? What is the division?
The division is Ichuni.
Yeah?
Yes, regularly.
Yeah?
Regularly.
Yeah, because if you talk regularly, the question of your boundary does not, or the administrative boundary does not arise.
There is an issue of political interference.
I know that. I know that.
Even we have an issue of boundary within the town.
Yeah.
The town, mainly, the issue is the town. The collection of revenue, that brings another issue, of political issue.
Hiyo is our governor is handling with his
Yes.
colleague on the other side. Hiyo ni tofauti.
Yes, sir.
But kwa crime too.
Crime wiko, but we are doing the best. Like yesterday, with my deputy, we had a crackdown within that area.
Yeah.
The Kisii area.
Yeah.
We arrested several people, but Rambo came and akaanzia kuchochea the wananchi. Na tukavindi by jioni, ilikuwa saa moja tukaachana nayo. Even I communicated with my OCPD, akaniambia bora askari asumizwe, just retreat.
Yeah.
Tukaachana nayo.
They incite people to attack the police.
Yes. Hata walidraw.
Okay.
Tukaarrest, wala tuliarrest, ikabidi tumekosa exhibit, tukabidi tuachane nao.
Yeah, okay.
Lakini saa for Keroka police station can be allowed to get into that area deeper. Ni Keroka mali natajwa Keroka, polisi wa Keroka police station wapewe powers ya kureni in that area. Hiyo area itakuwa safi. So ningeomba,
because you know,
yes, sir,
everybody is the consumer. It doesn't matter whether he's in Nyamira or in Kisii. Yet they're hiding to avoid accountability.
Yes, sir.
How can a brewer determine which police officer will arrest him?
Sir, we have a problem there.
In Kenya?
Kenya, we have problem with boundaries. Around boundaries, we have problem.
No, but I'm saying,
yes, sir,
how can the brewer himself determine, tell a police officer of Kenya that you can't arrest me because I'm on this side? Let me ask you, OCS.
Yes, sir.
If today you are going home, you are going to Nairobi.
Yes, sir.
And somewhere in Sotik, you witness a crime, can you arrest someone?
I can.
Yeah, so how can something you see next door, how can he be the one dictating to you?
The problem of her is political assistance.
Yeah.
If we get political support,
yeah,
we are going to do it.
Why are you saying political?
Yes.
Why don't you say,
yes,
the problem is your boss?
No. I think it is politicians, sir.
Is your boss a problem?
No.
So if you are not going to face disciplinary action,
yes, sir,
yeah, at a higher level, or is not interfering, so where gonna story garden a mutu politician?
Sir, from today,
yeah,
na kuhakikishia we will do it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Where gonna si hata huyo political interference, we arrest the politician? Why would that be an excuse?
There was a time to arrest na MCA akaanzia kuuliza, how comes you came to my area?
You arrest the MCA? What's wrong with you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is there someone you cannot arrest in Kenya?
No, sir.
Yeah, so even if I commit an offense, you can arrest me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so there is. So how is an MCA an excuse that he was saying? You what?
Sometimes I've had the police.
Nataka yo pombe ishe.
Yes, sir.
On both sides.
Yes, sir.
DIG will call the OCS on the other side.
Yes, sir.
You must meet at
Yes,
that place and you do a crackdown.
Yes,
sir. There are no special people in Kenya that cannot be held into account.
I told them yesterday that.
Yes, boss. Stop telling them, do it.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you.